Nearly 400 students from across the region are putting their tech skills to work today, participating in the District School Board of Niagara Robotics Skills Challenges.
The four major themes of today are the Arctic Challenge, there's the Prairie Challenge, there's the Quebec Challenge, and then there's the Atlantic Challenge. So the students have to design and build a robot. For instance, we'll use the Atlantic Challenge. They have to rescue the lobster from the bottom of the sea. So they have to autonomously program a robot that will go up and pull a buoy up off of the challenge board. So in effect, rescuing the lobster from the bottom of the sea. So a lot of the students, what they do today here is programming, and there is some build component to it, but a lot of it is writing software so that they can sort of tell the robot autonomously what to do from the start box, and then it has to go and perform that challenge.
Superintendent Paula McKinnon talks about the benefits of tech skills for young students.
Well, we know young students are always enthusiastic about technology, and getting them hooked into doing some actual programming, some working together to design things, to build things, it's all of that creative problem solving that's needed if you want to pursue the skilled trades or any technology fields in the future, and it's great to expose young students to this kind of activity.
A total of 16 secondary specialist high skills major business students are on hand today acting as judges for today's challenges.
Honestly, I'm just looking for creativity and talent, especially within the kids. It's really cool to see them just kind of figure it out on their way along, just trial and error, working towards a solution, and in the end, just any diamond they make back. Personally, I'm just looking for them to get on the board. 5 points, it's a win for them. Any points, just awesome to see them just keep going.
Central Public School from Grimsby sent 2 all-girls teams to compete in the robotic skills challenges. We had the opportunity to speak to the junior team.
So we're working on the Arctic Diamond Challenge, and so we made a plow, and then we have to program it to get as many diamonds as possible and go back to the home square.
So to program one of our NXT robots, we use this called Lego Mindstorms Education NXT programming. And so pretty much you take one of the blocks that's right here, and you drag it over to the chain so that you can easily program things. And so here you can adjust the power, which is like the speed. That's the duration, which pretty much is how long it takes for your robot. And then here you can change it from rotations, like degrees. So if you wanted to turn, you could do a 180 degree. That's like next action, where either you're gonna coast or you're gonna brake if you're going downhill. And so typically you would take a USB cord, and once you've done programming, you plug it in to your robot.
Then you can download the program.
And you would just press download like that. And once you hear the beep, it's all ready to go.
They come in teams of 4, so it's nice to see them have to collaborate with each other, and they will sort of learn how to do teamwork. The problem-solving component is huge for this event because they get multiple tries within the hour, so they will be able to go back and they will be able to make changes so they can adjust the robot on the fly and come back. And then there's a perseverance component. They have to sort of keep going. If their robot fails horrifically on the first try, they get maybe 7 or 8 more tries to try and get that challenge and try and get as many points as they can. So there's a lot of benefits. And I think it's fun just to have all the schools here together. It feels like a nice big festive competitive spirit here. And it's nice to have all the schools represented. So I think it's a nice event for the kids too.
What an exciting day it's been here at the Robotics Skills Competition, full of fun, tech skill learning, and teamwork. Reporting for The Source, I'm Melissa Andrade.